Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox password if you forgot. So let's begin. Here I have the Roblox app downloaded on my iPhone, so I'm going to head to the Roblox application. Now since I'm already logged in, I'm going to log out to show you what to do if you forgot your password. Alright, so here we are. Now I'm going to click on sign in, and as you can see my username is entered by default. So now what I'm going to do is click on trouble signing in. Now you can either enter your username, email, or phone number. So I'm going to enter my email address. Alright, so they have sent me a 6-digit verification code to my email address. Now I'm going to verify the code. So as you can see, this is the email and here is the code. I'm going to select the code over here, copy the code. Now here I am going to paste down the code. Now as you can see, they are asking for my new password and I need to confirm my new password. However, I am not going to enter the new password because I already remember my old password. But if you have forgotten your password, this is the method you can do to reset your password. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.